Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, man, before I go any further, just go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Let's get that out the way. But today, I came out here to harvest tangerines, and to my surprise, the squirrels have attacked my tangerine tree. So now, I'm stuck having to harvest all my tangerines or most of my tangerines so that the squirrels don't eat them. Look at this. I had no idea that squirrels ate tangerines. Look at that. Look at, look, what is going on here? Help me to understand what is going on that these squirrels are now attacking the tangerines. So guys, I'm gonna harvest the tangerines. Look at these beautiful tangerines. Look, this is one they started. That's one that they started on. Look at this, guys. Completely eaten out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the harvest for right now. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. All right, peace.